So I just wanted to show, I switched a few things around on Bill's motherboard. I just wanted to show one of my old favorite tricks in the book. Take a PCI slot, which you're obviously going to have one if you just put in a graphics card. And to prevent that nasty graphics card sag, because who wants a sagging 1080? Take this guy, in this case actually has the perfect spot for it. Sometimes I screw it in and I use the bottom screw, but what you do is pop it in there. Basically you use this as a stand. I'm going to put the camera down for a sec. Maybe. I'm just going to show it when it's done. This is one of my old tricks. Do it in black this time so you don't even see it as stealthily. I'm spaced out the red ones equally. Very important. That stays pretty good there. It's not hitting the fan. Yeah, look at that. We're in good shape now. You can barely even see it because it's black. It hides in there pretty well, but there it is. And card's nice and level, and it should stay nice and level. I put some pressure on it. As long as you keep it out of the way of your fans, just spin your fan when you're done and make sure it's not really wiggling. On most cases I put a screw there, but this case had a nice little space right in here I could slide it into, and it's been working for us. So I just want to show that one little that trick I use.